What an incredible sight to see a year of hard work, resilience, remarkable achievement, what we've accomplished. Victory, big or small.
Thank you so much. Okay, of course, we would like to say thank you to everybody, to everyone who made it to come to our year-end Christmas event. This is our second year actually, and we are so glad to have you all together here today. First, we start this platform, this PPSA, previous PWB, together with my co-founder John Adonis and Adrian Pulido, of course. Okay, the vice chairman and our executive secretaries. So kaming tatlo yung nag-start ng foundations na to, ng community na to, and then nakita namin this is the first community na pwede natin sigurong gamitin. Actually, not only Filipino, but most of the expat here in Poland to showcase your talent, to showcase your business, to showcase your objectives, and get together. Everybody can able to use the platform and be with us, collaborate with us, and for sure, pagdating ng panahon, we will get together and magiging successful tayo lahat sa ating lahat ng mga objectives and missions sa buhay natin dito sa Poland. Second, we would like to thank you, of course, our lifetime referee and officiating officials, Mr. Mihao, Mr. Magic, and Tom, and of course, our lawyer, Cesar, and our very own Kuya Don Don, who always helping us, guiding us, always with us from the first day of our journey. Thank you so much, Kuya Don Don Perales, the founder of Pinoy's in Poland, and also our operation manager and FN Catering. Thank you so much for coming, Miss Asha. I don't know how to pronounce the last name. Chileska and her husband. Thank you so much for coming. And of course, we would like to thank Team Marlon, Team Mary. Thank you so much for coming also today. And the 6 teams, Rugby, Team ETE, Golden Dream, Sniper, Nobody Bore, FN Sinag, and of course, the famous, the contender of the Draft Liga, Team Jordan. Thank you so much. Now, hopefully you will enjoy this event today, and let's get together, enjoy the year-end Christmas celebration. And I would like to also give my microphone to my co-founder, Adrian, to say something.
Okay. I'll make it short lang. Pero, English, Tagalog na. So, yung sabi nga ni Edwin, start namin itong organization na to, or yung foundation na to. Tingnan kami, but eventually, actually, hindi naman tatlo lang kami talaga. In the background, nandyan yung mga ibang Pilipino na lagi nagpapawis lang. Kasi konti lang kami dati. So, kami lang parang nagpa-passport kami. Parang 4 lang, 5. Mahirap ang pamakaani, mga ganon. So, masaya yung journey and maraming na nangyari, maraming event. From 3 teams, naging 6 teams, tapos parami ng parami. So ngayon, mas marami yung community ng Pilipino dito sa Poland, malaki na rin. And hindi lang naman kami yung nagpapaliga, is marami ding ibang group na nagpapaliga, which is sinusuportahan din namin kasi isa lang yung goal natin is mag-unite lahat. So sana supportahan din natin yung mga darating na mga liga pa para sa mga Pilipino at sama-sama tayo maglaro at magsaya.
Siyempre, huwag natin kakalimutan yung suporta ng coordinators natin lahat. Okay? Lahat. Salamat, guys.
Next.
Thank you so much sa ating mga